Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to automate another test case of search functionality. That is a test case number 12. So let's get started. So as part of this 12th test case, we need to verify the list and grid views when multiple products are displayed in the search results page. Okay. For this, we need to open the application page URL and then enter the search criteria into the search text box field like Mac kind of. Okay, we have to enter here, click on the search button. Okay, once we do that, we need to click on the button having the search icon. Yes, we clicked on it. Then we need to select the list option. We need to select the list option and see more than one product should be displayed in the search results. That's one thing. Okay, here, when you click on the search icon, we need to see more than one product should be displayed in search result. When you select the list option also, multiple products should be displayed in the list view without any problem. And then when you select the grid option also, multiple products should be displayed in the search results in the grid view without any problem. Okay, these are the things we need to verify as part of the test. So let's start automating this particular test case now. Okay, so to automate this particular test case, we'll move to the Eclipse ID now. So let's move to Eclipse ID here. Is Eclipse ID. We'll go to the search.java here. And here go down. Create a method that is public void verify. Same method I'll give, but here I'll say multiple products in search results in list view and grid view. Okay. Here write down at the rate test. Priority is equal to, give the priority here, that is 12 is a priority. Then I write header options is equal to new header options. Header options is equal to new header options and pass a driver here. Then write down header options dot enter product into search box field. Which product we need to enter? Mac is the product search criteria we need to enter. Okay, so I'll go to the properties file and here write down uh, existing sample product resulting in multiple products is equal to, okay, sample term resulting in multiple products. Okay, copy this and go here and write down prop dot get property and here give that property name. Once you give the property name, so here I'll be going to the application URL and here what I'm doing, here I'm searching for Mac here. I'm entering Mac here and then I need to click on the search button. To click on the search button, I have to say header options dot click on search button. And when you click on the search button, you'll be taken to the search page. You'll be taken to the search page, guys. Search page is equal to, once you are taken to the search page, we have to verify that. Okay, when you click on the search button here, where is the test? Yeah. When you click on the button having the search icon, more than one product should be displayed in the search results page. Okay. Further, I'll be writing like this. Okay. Assert dot assert true. Assert dot assert true. Assert dot assert true. And here write down search page dot get number of products displayed in search results page is greater than one. We have to verify. Okay. Once that is done, we need to select the list option now. Okay. In order to select the list option, I'll say search page dot select list view option. Once I select the list view option here, the list view option also for more than one product should be displayed. For that, I'll be writing the same code like this. Copy this and write the same thing. And here again, search page dot select grid option. That means when you select the grid option, guys, when you select the grid option, again the same products should be displayed in the search results. More than number of one should be displayed in the search results. in the grid view. So these are the things we need to verify as part of this particular test case, that is a test case number 12. So let's run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. I am going to run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, I have run the test. Let's see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, yeah, the test is working fine. So guys, we have successfully automated the 12th test case now. Okay, we have successfully automated the 12th test case now. Now the next thing here is we have to go to the 13th test case and verify this particular test by automating it. Okay, verify navigating to the product compare page from search results page. Open the application URL. We have to enter any product name into search text box field, let's say iMac or something. Click on the button having the search icon and click on the product compare link, and user should be taken, should be, when I click on the product compare link, you should be taken to the navigated to the product compare page. It's saying, let's try this out manual way first. Here, I'll search for iMac. Here, I'll just click on, okay, click on product compare link. Yeah, this is a link, guys, product compare link. Okay, click on this, should be taken to the product comparison page. Okay, user should be taken to the product comparison page. Okay, so let's automate that. So here, public void. Okay, okay, verify navigation to product compare page. Like this, I'll create a method here. And here I'll write at the rate test annotation. I'll provide at the rate test annotation here, at the rate test annotation, and say priority is equal to priority. Priority is equal to 13, I'll say. And here I'll write down header options is equal to new header options. And here pass the driver here, put a semicolon here. Then write down header options dot enter product into search box field. And here write down prop dot get property, and here provide the property name. That is, I need to enter iMac product. So this is a product I need to enter here. Okay, iMac, right? Yeah, iMac I need to enter here. Just go here and iMac. I'll enter iMac and just go here, and now I need to click on this. Okay, any product you can give, guys. It's not iMac or something. You can give HP also, existing product you can give. Not a big deal. You can give this product also. Then uh, header options dot click on search button. You'll be taken to the search page. You'll be taken to the search page, guys. You'll be taken to the search page. Search page is equal to search page is equal to. Now, once you are taken to search page, you need to click on this product compare link. Inspect that product compare link, and ID compare total is there. ID compare total is there for that particular link. So we'll create a web element for that. Go to search page here and create a web element for that compare product compare link. Okay, private web element product compare link. Okay, and here write down at the rate find by ID is equal to, give the ID locator, guys. Create a method that is public void select product compare link. Okay, click or select whatever you want to write there, you can write. And here write down element utils dot click on element, and that is nothing but the product compare link. Okay, just write down this one here. That's it. Now save this, go to the search.java here and write down hmm, search page search page search page dot click on sorry search page dot select product compare link. And when I click on the product compare link, right, you know that it is taking you to the product comparison page. So here we need to see whether product comparison page is already created or not. Product comparison page is not there. Let's create a product comparison page here. Class product comparison page. Okay, click on finish, and here create a web driver. Control Shift O. So now let's create the constructor here. Public And the name of the constructor should match with the name of the class. And here we have to write web driver. And here this dot driver is equal to driver. And here page factory dot init elements driver comma this. Like this, we need to create the constructor. After this is done, here we have to say extends that root page. Okay, extends root page. So few things that we need to take care here, guys. Okay, like import this, and also here we need to call the super class constructor super of driver. Okay, that is one thing that we have to do, and also element utils. Element utils element. Whenever you create a page class, you have to follow this process going ahead. Element utils. Import this element utils, and here write down element utils is equal to new element utils of driver. Put a semicolon. That's it. Now, once this is done, I need to go to the, you know, here select product compare link. In the select product compare link, when you click on the product compare link, you know that you'll be taken to the, when you click on the, you see, once you click on that link, right? Once you click on that link, product compare link here, you know that you will be taken to the product comparison page. So we need to return the object of this product comparison page. Okay. So return new product comparison page and then pass the driver here, guys. Okay. Put a semicolon here and here make the return type like this. Okay. Now save this. Once you save this, once you save that, guys, hover the mouse on this and it will return you the object reference of the product comparison page. Product comparison page is equal to hover the mouse on this and say create. Copy this, guys. Copy this and take it to the, okay, copy that and you know we need to paste in the base class. The declaration should be done at the base class with base class with public modifier. Save this and come back here and remove the double declaration here. And once that is done, I need to verify few things. That is, click on the product compare link and user should be navigated to the product compare page. How can we verify that the user got navigated? Maybe with this breadcrumb we can verify that. Okay, inspect this breadcrumb, guys. Product comparison breadcrumb. Copy this and here before that here class is there. Control F double slash ul at the rate class is equal to give that class under that a tag text function is equal to product comparison like this you give. Now you can see that this XPath expression is locating the breadcrumb. Copy this XPath expression, come back here and write down. Okay, come back here and go to the product comparison page first of all, and here create a web element that is private web element product comparison page breadcrumb. Okay, now here write down at the rate find by XPath is equal to, right? XPath is equal to give the XPath expression and say Control Shift O and create a method here that is public void. Okay, create a method here that is public void. Did we navigate to the, did you navigate to product comparison page or not? Product comparison here, comparison. Okay, comparison page or not, we have to verify. How to verify that? For that, element utils, simply say element utils dot, okay, is element displayed, in that we have to pass this breadcrumb. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this will return you the boolean value and simply say return here and the return type change it to boolean here. Okay, return type change it to boolean. That's it. Save this, go back to the search.java and here mention assert dot assert true, then product comparison page. Okay, here where is that page? Product Product comparison. Okay. Here, let's rename this properly, guys. Okay. Refactor this. Right click. There's spelling mistake in this name. Comparison. Comparison. Okay. Change it like that. So here, okay, declare this properly and go to the base class, and here paste it in a proper, the latest one. Okay. Save this. Come back here. Small change I have done. Then here double declaration you remove and copy this product comparison page dot dot. Did we navigate to the product comparison page or not? We are checking. Okay. Save this. Control Shift F. Control Shift O. Save all. That's it. Now run the script to see whether this particular test method is working fine or not. Let's run the test to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, the test is running properly, and we got the results as passed. So we have successfully automated the test case number 13 in this session. Okay. So 12th and 13th test cases we have successfully automated in this session, guys. So that's all for this session. The next session we are going to automate the 14th test case and whatever that is possible. Okay. In this session we completed till 13. In the upcoming sessions we'll start with the 14. Okay. We'll try to automate the remaining test cases in the next few sessions. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.